my very loving, caring husband. At the same time is my physical therapist. Oh, he's helping me today. Dahil sumasakit na naman yung frozen shoulder ko.
Is that a loving
It's
husband?
not really held kasi, ano kasi siya, masakit pa siya. Sumasakit
But he's
siya
a loving
minsan.
husband. I know him personally.
Yeah, I know. I know you're a loving and caring husband. Katawa lang po siya. Usahay sakit siya kaayo guys. Usahay mo kuan gid siya ba mo. Usahay porti di siya taon siya. Nagsige kog voice over ako pang husband, sige po siya yaw-yaw itag iyaha oy. Actually he doesn't know that I'm doing a voice over. Maong nagsamok-samok. Hi, hubby! Thank you for being my physical therapist today.
My darling, I love you.
I love you too. So, yun na nga, grabe, as in. For today, sobra siyang sakit. So, kaya, inat-inat nato sa iyaha. Kaya makatabang ba. Ang laki ng tulong ng stretching, mawawala yung, yung sakit niya. After i-manipulate under anesthesia ng doktor, medyo masakit pa din.